Hello students, after completion of 4 exercises of this chapter double consonant PL series, आज हम करेंगे double consonant PR series. A small initial hook written on the non-circle side of straight down strokes and K and G forms a series of double consonants. Double consonants क्या होता है ये मैंने आपको PL series में ही क्लियर कर दिया था. और PL series में सर्कल जिस मोशन से हम जिस साइड से हम बनाते हैं वो बताया गया था कि PL सीरीज उसी साइड से बनती हैं. बट इन PR सीरीज नॉन सर्कल साइड इज यूज्ड in straight down strokes and K and G. Okay, clear है? The sound of R with P, B, T, D, Ch, J, K, G are written as per. A small hook on the non-circle side of straight strokes and K and G. Clear? पर क्या sound रहेगी? PR पर. बर, टर, डर, char, jar, kar, gar. These double consonants are called by these names. Okay. Example, pray. P with R hook on the line, pray, and heavy dot vowel on the second place of P after it. Press, per on the line with a circle, light dot vowel on the second place of per after it. Price, per above the line with a circle I diphthong on the first place of P after it. Propose, per on the line, another P with S circle and light dash on the second place of first P after it and heavy dash on the second place of second P after it. Presume, per a circle M on the line, light dot on the second place of P after it and U diphthong is used here on the third place of M before it. Present, per a circle N halved for T, light dot on the second place of P after it and heavy dot on the second place of N before it. April, per on the line and upward L is used here and double tick underneath for the proper noun. A heavy dot on the second place of P before it and light dot on the third place of L before it. Break, bar on the line with K, heavy dot on the second place of B after it. Branch, bar above the line with N with J, light dot on the first place of B after it. Bridge, bar through the line and J, light dot on the third place of J before it. Bring, bar through the line with NG, light dot on the third place of NG before it. Bright, bar above the line with T, I diphthong is used here on the first place of B after it. Broke, bar on the line with K, heavy dash on the second place of B after it. Brought, bar above the line with T, heavy dash on the first place of B after it. Try, ter above the line, I diphthong is used here on the first place of T after it. Trial, same outline रहेगी. Try with upward L above the line and a triphone is used here on the first place of T after it. Trip, ter through the line with P, light dot on the third place of P is used here before P. Truly, ter through the line upward L, heavy dash on the third place of L, upward L before it and light dot on the third place of upward L after it. Trust, ter with ST loop on the line, light dash on the second place of T after it. Trusting, same outline on the line with NG stroke. Next is dry, D with R hook above the line, I diphthong is used here on the first place of D after it. Drop, der above the line and P, light dash on the first place of D after it. Dream, D with R hook through the line M and a heavy dot on the third place of M before it. Dress, D with R hook with a circle on the line, light dot on the second place of D after it. Address, same outline above the line. Only kya? Light dot on the first place of D before it and light dot on the second place of D after it. Grow, GR, GR on the line with heavy dash on the second place of G after it. Group, GR with P through the line jayega because of third position. Heavy dot on the third place of P before it. Heavy dash on the third place of P before it. Greatest, GR with T with ST loop. Heavy dot on the second place of GR after it. Light dot on the second place of T after it. Grades, GR halved for the sake of D here and a circle. Heavy dot on the second place of GR after it. Across, curve with a circle above the line. Light dot on the first place of K before it and light dash on the first place of K after it. Crop, curve with P, whole outline above the line. Light dash on the first place of K after it. Cream, curve with M, stroke on the line. Heavy dot on the third place of M before it. Cry, curve above the line. I diphthong on the first place of K after it. Credit, curve with D halved for the sake of T on the line finishes it, and light dot on the second place of K after it and light dot on the third place of D after it. Crowd, curve with D through the line and ow diphthong on the third place of D before it. Next is better, B with ter. अब क्या, बीच में आ गया, ये एंड में आ गया. पहले ये हमने इनिशियल पढ़े हैं सारे PR सीरीज. अब ये बी पार्ट क्या है? बी पार्ट है एंड में. अगर TR BR JR आ जाए तो भी हम ऐसे ही ज्वाइन करेंगे. B with ter, B on the line and rest of the stroke through the line. Light dot on the second place of B after it. Labor, upward L with burr on the line finishes whole outline. Heavy dot on the second place of upward L after it. Teacher, T through the line and chur. Heavy dot on the third place of J before it. Manager, M stroke, N stroke above the line with jur. Clear hai? Light dot on the first place of M. Light manager. Light dot on the second place of N after it. Proceed, per on the line a circle D. Light dash on the second place of P after it. Heavy dot on the third place of D before it. Progress, per on the line, GR and a circle is used here. Heavy dash on the second place of P after it. Heavy dot on the second place of G after it. Properly, per above the line for pro, another per for per, and upward L is used here. Properly, upward above the line से start होगा और rest of the stroke नीचे through the line तक cut करेगा. A light dash on the first place of P after it and light dot on the third place of upward L after it. Increased, N stroke on the line with curve with ST loop for the sake of SED here. Light dot on the third place of N before it and heavy dot on the third place of K after it. Increased, clear hai? Program, per on the line, GR and M stroke is used here. Heavy dash on the second place of P after it and light dot on the first place of G after it. Problem, per above the line से start करते हुए बल, PL BL series, per series, बल series and M stroke above the line से start करते हुए and rest of the outline is through the line, है ना. Light dash on the first place of P after it and light dot on the second place of B after it. Proud, अब इसमें क्या, पर सीरीज हाफ कर देंगे फॉर द सेक ऑफ डी एंड ज्वाइन क्या करेंगे, डिफ्थोंग ऑफ आओ. ठीक है, थर्ड प्लेस वाला आओ डिफ्थोंग इज यूज्ड हियर. Per series half for the sake of D and our diphthong is joined here, whole outline on the line. Next is degree, D on the line with GR. A light dot on the second place of D after it, and a heavy dot on the third place of G after it. Agreed. Above the line, Gersid is half for the sake of D. Light dot on the first place of G before it, and heavy dot on the third place of G after it. Daughter, D above the line and ter series through the line से कट करेगा. Heavy dot on the first place, heavy dash on the first place of D after it. Water, way stroke above the line and ter, and heavy dash on the first place of way after it, on the first place. Withdraw, way with it D stroke is used here. Withdraw, and der, D with R hook. Light dot on the third place of D before it, and heavy dash on the first place of D after it. Clear है? Practical, per above the line, K halved for T, and curl series is used here. Light dot on the first place of P after it. Light dot on the third place of K before it. Liberal, through the line से start करते हुए upward L, बर and upward L. तो क्या? Light dot on the third place of B before it, and light dot on the first place of B after it. Graduate, Gersid is half for the sake of D here, and T full stroke is used here above the line. Light dot on the first place of G after it, and U triphone is used here on the third place of T before it. October, K half for the sake of T here, and ber is used here above the line, whole outline. Light dash on the first place of K before it, and heavy dash on the second place of B before it. Double tick underneath for the sake of proper noun. These are the short forms. D with R hook above the line for doctor and doctor. Same outline on the line for dear. Same outline through the line for during. T with R hook on the line for truth. P with R hook through the line for principal, principally, or principal. B stroke with R hook above the line for liberty. Same outline on the line for member, remember, or remembered. Same outline through the line for number or numbered. Ch with R hook on the line is used here for chair. Through the line, same outline through the line is used here for cheer. K with R hook on the line is used here for care. So these are the double consonant PR series. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज की वीडियो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेगी आपको इसकी डिक्टेशन. आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल, लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर एंड कमेंट. थैंक यू.